In this video, I will show you how you can potentially make $5,000 a day using 215,000 ways with Batman 2022 and using just 1 minute of your time. Well, full disclaimer, this is not a promise. The results may vary and this is not going to happen overnight. But I'm going to show you a 3-step process on how to do it, how thousands of people are doing it every single day, and how you can do it too, starting today. This is 100% beginner friendly and it can be done from anywhere in the world. No need experience, no need technical knowledge, no need website, and no need investment, and you can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency any way you want. As an added bonus, you will get my premium software 100% free. The software will take 90% of the workload and help you make money. Link to try my software is in the description. Go get it free, use it, and make money. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and this is very important. Share this video. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts and all your social media groups that you are in, like WhatsApp group, Facebook Messenger group, and Telegram group. This way, you help others learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. And as a bonus, you will get notified when we upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And of course, everybody will get access to my premium softwares. Links are in the description. My name is Mosh Bari and I have been online since 2010, currently running a 7-figure per year software company. One of my softwares is Epic. This software makes us money by getting customers from YouTube and all other video channels simply by copying and pasting free image links. It generates natural voice over for our videos with built-in text-to-voice feature, and it also writes the video scripts with built-in artificial intelligence or AI. Link to Epic is in the description. You can try it for free. Go get it. Today I wanted to watch Batman 2022, but I didn't want to waste my time watching a movie. Such a dilemma. So I tried to find out why not, instead of watching the movie, I try and make money using Batman. Just like everyone else, I need to make money as well. And if you need to make money online, then keep watching this video all the way to the end, because I am about to share what I have found about earning $1,000 per day to $5,000 per day with Batman. So I went back to YouTube and searched with Batman and hit space and found the keyword Batman 2022. I clicked on it and what I found was mind-blowing. Not the movie, I mean the number of views on the videos. Millions of views on the videos. This makes me curious because views equals money. In fact, we make videos using our software Epic. From our videos that we make using Epic, we make $5 from each visitor we get from YouTube. You can imagine how much money can be made from all these millions of views. Look at this channel. They make $1.9 million from YouTube AdSense alone. So I went to Ubersuggest to find out what people are looking for about Batman. And guess what? The keyword Batman has 673,000 monthly searches, and there are over 215,000 Batman related keywords that people used to search and learn about Batman. What got my attention the most is that Batman 2022, this key phrase, has 110,000 monthly searches. This is amazing, and I can't wait to make money using this keyword. Now I have 215,000 keywords to make videos about Batman using my software Epic. Of course, I don't want to do the hard work. I want the software to do all the work using artificial intelligence. I'm so excited. Oh, by the way, if you don't have the premium version of Ubersuggest, don't worry, I'm going to download all the keywords and the results, all the data, put them in a CSV file so you can use them too. It's in a link in the description for you to get access. It's free. you can take it anytime and use it to make money. Now, instead of wasting my time by watching Batman, I'm going to make money using Batman, using the 215,000 keywords I just found. Now, let me show you money. And look at our results. On YouTube, we get over 64,000 views in last 90 days. And the visitors generated from these views pay us more than $5 per visitor. And these are the amounts we made so far from only 2 of our offers. And we have over 50 plus offers, and we are approved for over 100 or maybe 500 offers on ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JVZoo that we can promote to these visitors. Now let me show you the 1-minute work to make money. I just searched on my phone using the keyword Batman 2022 and let me show you the results. Do you see my screen? Let's scroll down 1, 2, 3 and starts the shorts feed. The first video has 2.4 million views. The second video has 2 million views. The third and fourth, 1.1 million and 70,000 views respectively. 1.3 million and 144,000 views. 1.8 million, 240,000 views. All these views for each 1-minute long videos that you can easily make using Epic in just 3 to 4 minutes. Woohoo!
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
So why am I showing you shorts and how are you going to make money using shorts if you don't have a following? Shorts is a new feature and YouTube is trying to promote it the best way possible. For that, YouTube is promoting all the shorts creators, whether you are new or a seasoned YouTuber, whether you have an existing following or you have 0 followers. Just make shorts about hot topic like Batman 2022 that people are looking to watch and YouTube will promote them. More and more people will watch those shorts and more YouTube will promote. You will start getting views, followers. Those visitors will visit your links and eventually take action, maybe buy from you or sign up to your mailing list, and you will make money. Super simple. The secret here is helping others to make money. You are helping YouTube by creating shorts, and you are helping viewers by creating content about what they're looking for. And in this case, you have 215,000 keywords that people are looking for. Make shorts videos using Epic, publish them on YouTube, get views, promotions from YouTube, and make money for free. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. You're getting My Softwares free. Links are in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. Then you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video that will come with free information and education and access to my premium softwares free. And please, please, please do share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts and all the social media groups that you are a part of, like Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, Reddit groups, Messenger, Skype groups, so everybody else learns how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. And they will start following you because you shared good information with them. And eventually, many of them will end up buying from you and become your regular paying customer. As a bonus, they're also getting free access to my premium softwares. And they will also get notified when we upload our next How to Make Money Online video. So go ahead, like and share this video, and we will see you in the next video.